This is my new hair color. Not mine pala. Isa lang pala sa akin yung number 10. Herbal bubble dye. Para lang siyang shampoo. Pero pag in-apply siya sa hair, yung parang tina din siya. Apply mo siya for 30 minutes and then bandawan. Pero shampoo lang siya. Wala na siyang, anong tawag nun, yung, ano ba yun, oxidant. Wala na siyang oxidant. Parang shampoo lang din. Pero, apply mo siya bago maligo ng for 30 minutes tapos banlawan. 6 is dark blonde, 7 is natural blonde, and 8 is light blonde. And this is mine, platinum blonde. Pero hindi siya araw-araw ha. Once a month. Kasi hindi naman siya agad na naaalis.
It's like shampoo, right?
Huh?
It's like shampoo, right?
Shampoo. It's like shampoo. This is shampoo. That's with color. This is mine. This is for
Mim had to take
Rafif.
like this one.
This is for Mama.
This is for
This is for
Mimi.
Mimi.
And this is for me.
Yours is original. Mimi from light to dark.
Mine is like Shui Mimim, Shui Kala Rafif.
No, this is for Rafif. I don't know. This is for Rafif or this one.
Yeah, maybe this is for Mimim.
But this is for Mama.
Rafif,
Or this
yeah.
one. Mine is 10. Platinum
Because
blonde.
Mimi Mom عاملة بس Kala Rafif.
Yes.
Eh,
Unbox na nga natin yung aking shampoo na hair. Hindi ko na ipakita ang
what is
mukha
the name
kasi
of it?
walang ligo. Hindi mo na mapakita ng mukha.
What is the name of it?
Ha?
What is the name of it?
Name?
Yeah.
Herbal Bubble Dye Shampoo. This is made in Syria, of course. Because it's Arabic, oh. Hindi lang ipakita ang mukha kasi mukhang aswang. This is it!
Well,
Chink, 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 chink. This is my number 10 shampoo.
look, Yaya. It's what is.
Ganda ng pagka. Like my nail polish is
Oh,
green
Yaya,
too.
look what
Oh, meron din
Is
pala
it
siyang
ha?
ano,
Oh, poof. Gloves.
gloves din. Meron siyang
Wow,
guantes saka
cool.
ito. Lagay mo chik-chik ng gano'n. So, this is it. Order na kayo.
So cool.
Hindi ko alam kung saan in order.